Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening FontBook now. Make sure you are signed into an admin account because system fonts may require authorization. Once open, locate the font by name or sort by family to find every style. You should preview the font to verify it's the one you want to remove. If any font shows a warning or duplicate icon, note that you will handle validation next because removing the wrong family can affect documents. With the font selected, choose Edit then Disable to test impact or Remove to delete immediately. You do this so you can reverse if needed. If FontBook reports problems, run Validate Font and Fix or remove corrupted items because corrupt fonts can cause crashes. For duplicate families, remove only the duplicate or inactive copy to avoid breaking layout. If the font is protected in /library/fonts, you may be prompted for admin credentials. Enter them to proceed. Once removed, quit and relaunch apps that use the font so they reload available fonts. This avoids fallback substitutions. If the font still appears, clear font caches or simply reboot the Mac, because caches often hold old entries. If problems continue, manually inspect /library/fonts and /library/fonts and delete leftover files. Use Finder or Terminal with care and admin rights. Troubleshooting tip. If a font breaks system display, reinstall a basic copy or restore from back.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.